Good morning, children. Last class I completed what is a token, what are the different types of tokens available in Java, and one more token I completed, that is what is an identifier, what are the rules to declare an identifier. Now in this class I will complete one more short answer, that is the difference between integer literal and floating point literal. Integer literal and floating point literal. So first I will start with integer literal. See, integer literal. The definition for integer literal is without decimal points. Without decimal points is called integer literal. Without decimal points. So example for that one, int a is equal to, for example, 10. Here no decimal points are there. Here no decimal points are there. That's why it is an integer literal. With decimal points are there, like this means immediately it will indicate an error. So we will define integer literal in different forms. Those are, one is binary form, one is octal form, one is decimal form, and one more is hexadecimal form. So these are the different forms for declaring an integer literal. One is binary, one is octal, one is decimal, one is hexadecimal. Binary means 2, octal means 8, decimal means 10, hexadecimal means hexa 6, 10, total 16. So first I will show binary form. First I will explain binary form practically, then octal, decimal, hexadecimal remaining. See, binary form, its prefix is 0B or 0 capital B, small b or capital B. Prefix compulsory for binary. Only zeros and ones are allowed. Only 0 and 1s are allowed in binary form. And one more important point, its base is 2. Its base is 2. Now, example see. Example I will execute in a BlueJ system. See the example. Take the new class as integer literal. Integer literal. All the four forms here I will execute. Integer example, main method, then declare variable int a is equal to 10. So this is an integer literal. Without decimal points is called integer literal. What is your output? Same output you will get 10. What you declared, that is only your output. See here. If you are using decimal points like this, immediately it will indicate an error, incompatible types. So without decimal points is called integer literal. Now binary form, see. Prefix is what? 0B or 0 capital B. So I am using 0B, 1, 2. See, only zeros and ones are allowed. Compile error because 2 you are using. So only zeros and ones are allowed. 1, 1. So what is the output you are going to get for this one? If you compile this one, no syntax errors. If you execute this one, what is the output you are going to get is in multi-line comments I will show, or single line comments stepwise. Observe. Its base is 2. Its base is 2 means 2 power 0. That is equal to 1. This is the first step. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Next. What is here? 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 1 into. Here what is the zero's position? 1 is there. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So this is the first step. So the next step is 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So the next step, 2 into in 1's position 1 only there. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So the output you are going to get for this one, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. If you execute this program, you will get the output as 3. So 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Or why you are using 2 here means base value is 2. So that's why 2 power 0, 2 power 1. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Compile, execute, see the output 3. So this is the binary form. So the next form is a octal form. Next form is what? Octal form. See the octal form. Octal form prefix is 0. It always begins with 0. That means total 8. 0 to 7 digits are allowed. Only 0 to 7 digits are allowed. More than 0 to 7 means immediately it will indicate an error. Its base value is what? 8. Base value is 8. Now example program I will execute in your BlueJ system. So open integer example. Here see. Here only I will show. So what is its base? Prefix is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8. Like this I am using. Compile, error. Because it is too large. See. So prefix is 0, 0 to 7 digits only. It will accept. See. Compile, no errors. If you are using 9, compile, errors. It is too large. Now 1, 2, 3 for example. Or 1, 2, 3 enough. If you compile, no errors. Now I am executing this one. See. First point is what? 8 power 0. Base is 8. That is equal to 1. So 1 into what you are getting here? 1. 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. This is the first point. First step. This is the first step. 3. You got in first step answer 3. So the next step, see. 8 power 1. That is equal to 8. 8 power 1, 8. So 8 into what is the one's position? 2 is there. 8 into 2, 16. So this is the second step. Third step, see. 8 power 2. That is equal to 8 square. 64. That means 64 into 1 here. 0, 1, 2. Position 1 is there. 64 into 1, 64. Now last one we have to add 3 plus 16 plus 64. Total how much? 64 plus 6, 70, 80, 83 is your output. If you execute this one, your output is 83. This is octal form. See, this is octal form. Hope all of you understood this octal form. Now I will show decimal form. So the next form is what? Decimal form. See, decimal form. 0 prefix is no prefix here. So 0 to 9 digits only it will accept. 0 to 9 numbers. Base is what? 10. Base is 10. Now example programs you will execute. Whatever the number you are choosing, that one only you are going to get in decimal form. Observe output. This one I am removing. See, prefix no need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 like this. 10 digits it will accept. No errors. More than this one, compile error. See, it is too large. So integer is too large. So for example, 12 is choosing by you. Output is 12 only. Sir, how you are getting 12 means, see, first step is what? 10 power 0. That is equal to 1. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. This is the first step. Second step is 10 power 1. That is equal to 10. 10 into 1. That is equal to 10. So the third step we have to add 2 plus 10. That is equal to 12. Close. Comment single line I am using. So output is in decimal form. Whatever the number you are choosing, that is only your output in a decimal form. This is the third form. See, 12 only your output. So the next one is the final one, hexadecimal form. See, hexadecimal form. See, hexadecimal form, all of you. Hexadecimal form. In hexadecimal form, prefix should be 0x or 0 capital X, and it will allow 0 to 9 digits and 0 to 9 digits, and small a to f or capital A to F it will allow. Only 0 to 9, small a to f or capital A to F. Its base is 16. Base is 16. Now example see, I will execute in BlueJ hexadecimal form also. Once observe, open class. So take, delete this one. Prefix is what? 0x. 0x. 1, 2. I am using only two numbers. Compile, no syntax errors. Now observe here. Base is what? 16. 16 power 0, that is equal to 1. Comments I have to use. 16 power 0 is 1. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Here 0 position 2 is there. Next, second step, 16 power 1, that is equal to 16. So 16 into 1, that is equal to 16. So total 2 plus 16, we will get output as 18. If we execute this one, we will get output 18. See, so I told already small a to f and capital A to f also allowed. So I will use here small a also. Small a also I will use. So see, small a if I am using means what will happen? What is the output? Output is going to change. Small a also if you are using a to f, it is allowed. Small a to f or capital A to f. So small a or capital A, no problem. So 16 power 0, that is equal to 1. 16 power 0, 1. So 1 into small a value 10. So that is equal to 10. This is the first step. Second step, see. A to F, 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F. F value 15, A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, 14 E, 15th F. So 16 power 1, that is equal to 16 into 16 into 2, that is equal to 32. So the next step, 16 power 2, that is equal to 16 squares, 256. 256 into 1, that is equal to 256. So the output for you, if we execute this one, here also Now see, 10 plus 32 plus 256. So 42, 42 plus 256. That is 266, 268, 298 is your output. If you execute this one, you will get output as 298. So this is a hexadecimal form. And the next one is a floating point literal. Sir, what is floating point literal means? Floating point literal means right opposite to integer. Integer we are using without decimal points. Here floating point literal means with decimal points is called floating point literal. With decimal points is called floating point literal. Like float f is equal to 1.234, it should be ends with f, otherwise error. So generally float type also we are using here double type. So floating point literal means it should contain decimal points. That is called floating point literal. See here, completely we have to use float data type. Will it? Float f is equal to 1.234 f. Now you have to print f value. Compile, no errors. If you are not using f here, then error. So that's why it ends with f. What is your output? That is only your output. See. So this is the difference between floating point literal and integer literal. Integer means without decimal point. Floating point literal means with decimal points. So in the next class, I will continue with the difference between character literal and string literal. Thank you.